set me free. Set me free. Everyone's searching for a purpose in life. A house for a home with some kids would be nice. Taught to believe that if we don't achieve, we're just another waste of space in front of a TV screen.